Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Money Clarity Podcast. And I have a little bit of a different episode for you this week. I have a few updates and then an invitation to something fun that I'm doing for the next 7 days. But first, I want to start with a question. Have you ever wondered what a money coach actually does when life gets messy and groceries get expensive and all of that head trash starts to kick in? I've mentioned this before, but money is a journey. Money is a process. Unfortunately, money is not anything that you're ever going to be able to check a box and say, I'm done. I'm complete. I have checked all of those things off. Money is a journey. Money is a process. It is a lifelong process. And we are all going to always be on this journey to continually improve our relationship with money. And that includes me. You know, so often we see the polished highlight reels online, whether that's a beautiful budgeting spreadsheet or, oh, look how much money I've saved or how much debt I've paid off or just this beautiful vacation I'm on, whatever the industry is, it's always the highlight reels, right? We rarely see the messy middle. So for the next week, I am going to be doing something fun. And I'm pulling back the curtain on my life, business, and everything in between for a special thing that I'm calling the Exuberant Elephant Insider Week. So how it works is I've created a Google Doc, and by the time you hear this tomorrow morning, it will be live, and you will be able to see me documenting in real time what's going on in my life and business. And again, it's not a highlight reel. It's me sharing the things I'm working on, the things I'm struggling, the money mindset issues that might come up, things I'm working on in my business. Anything, pretty much anything's fair game. So you'll be able to follow along as I navigate that head trash, as I work on my business, working towards some of the goals that I'm working on this year. In my membership this month, the focus is your grocery budget and your dining out budget. And for every single client I've ever worked with, that has been their biggest struggle category. So this month, the focus is I'm going to share all my tips and tricks and recipes about how I make this area of my life just a little bit easier. So yesterday, I filmed a meal planning how-to video of how I go about my meal planning for the week. And I just shared that in my membership yesterday, and I will be sharing that in this Google Doc as well. So you'll get to see that. Again, all the things that come up for me personally, in my business, life, all the things. So it's not a polished spreadsheet. It's not a picture-perfect YNAB budget. It's just me. It'll just be me. All the ridiculous budget fun cat nerdiness there is to be had. It will be there. All right, so this is a free thing that I'm doing, so you can find the link in the show notes to sign up for this. You can go ahead and just pop your name and email address in, and I will send you the Google Doc for it. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to show you that financial confidence, and even confidence for your business, isn't about being perfect. Again, it's a process. And you can even ask me questions directly in the comments of this document as I work throughout my day, as I go through. You can comment and ask questions as we go along. The other reason I want to share a little bit on the inside of my life and business is because the podcast is going to be going on a break after next week's episode. So, like I mentioned, my membership I have been focusing on for the last couple months, and I want to really lean in to my members who are in there and pour all of my energy into continuing to help them make the shifts they need to live their greatest life and achieve their own financial goals and dreams. So I'm going to take a little bit of a break from the podcast. It will be back. It will likely be back. Can't ever promise anything, but so I just wanted to let you know that as well. All right, so one final thing to note is the membership itself, the Empowered Money Circle. That is my core membership that I am focusing on right now. And if you've been sitting on the fence, maybe wondering if the Empowered Money Circle is right for you, this Insider Week is a little bit of a chance to get to see how things work and how I coach clients inside the membership. So go ahead and sign up for free to get the link to the Google Doc. And the final thing for this week is the founding member rate for the Empowered Money Circle will be going away on April 1st. It is currently, as of the rest of March 2026, it is $27 a month if you join before the end of the month. The price will be increasing to $39 a month on April 1st. So I will leave that link in the show notes for you as well. If you're interested in checking out the Empowered Money Circle, you can also try it for free for 7 days before you decide if it's right for you. That link will, of course, be in the show notes for you as well. And go ahead and hop into the Insider Week. I can't wait to see you there. And otherwise, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your week. I will see you on inside the Insider Week and hopefully inside the Empowered Money Circle. I will talk to you next week.